It's raining, I said after opening the window curtain of my room. The rain is not too heavy, just bring an umbrella. Because today it's raining, I go to school by bus. Usually, I ride my regular motorcycle taxi driver. After sitting in the passenger seat, I turned right and left looking for someone. My smile grew again when I found the person I was looking for. A boy wearing a high school uniform covered in a jacket is sitting in a chair in front of me, staring out the window. He is the reason why I always expect rain in the morning. I will meet the man on the bus. I was once given a seat by the boy in the middle of a bus full of passengers because of the heavy rain. Since then, I have always waiting for the rain and always wanted to meet that boy. There's a sense of happiness for me. Along the way, I kept looking at the boy, wanting me to sit in an empty chair next to him and talk to him. At least ask what his name is. But I didn't have enough courage. Moreover, I'm still in junior high school. The bus stopped. The boy and several other passengers got off, not far from a high school. I kept pointing my eyes to the boy. Oh, the school's there. Hopefully tomorrow it will rain again, I said. It doesn't feel like you will be in a high school soon. After graduation, do you want to go to school outside? Mama said in the middle of dinner. Huh? I said, staring at Papa because I couldn't believe what I heard. Yes, Papa was placed in Kalimantan. We are going to move there. After graduation, you can immediately register a school there. I was silent. I thought of the boy on the bus who was my patient. I want to see him again. It's okay, right? Asked Mama, watching me pensively. It's okay, Ma. I sat safely on the edge of my bed. I kept thinking about the boy on the bus who was my patient. A boy who kept on my mind. But I never had the courage to say hello, let alone ask him his name. I will be moving out of here soon. It means I won't see that boy on the bus anymore on a rainy day. I don't expect rain anymore. How will my life be without all that? How can I be excited like always? Even though this is the first time I have felt this way. The feeling that makes my breath short. Can I meet you one more time? A sunny morning usually make people excited to start their activities, but not for me. The sunny mornings of the last few weeks have been troubling me. The day I will move is getting closer. I was afraid that I couldn't see that boy again, and my first love just ended. The test is over. The rain never comes. In a few days, I will move out. I plan to find that boy in front of his school. Even though my first love story will end, I will end it the way I want. In front of the school gate, I stood looking at each student's face who were coming in and out of the school, with someone I thought was walking out of school. The day is getting late and harder. I've been standing there for 2 hours, but I don't want to give up. Soon, a student came out of the school while riding a big motorbike without wearing a helmet. He is the boy I'm looking for. Hey! I called while catching the motorbike. Hearing someone call him, the boy pulled over, and I ran up to him. Who are you? Sorry, I'm the one you used to give me a seat on the bus. The boy was silent for a moment. Yeah, I remember. What's wrong? I want to give you this, I said while I took out a box from my bag and gave it. The boy accepted it but was still silent because he didn't understand. What's your name? Yoga. What is this? The man replied while opening a box containing 3 Teru-Teru Bozu dolls. I'm sorry for suddenly giving this. Thank you for being the spirit of for me. What do you mean? Ever since we met on the bus that day, I've always been thinking of you. All this time, I hung the doll upside down in the room, so it always rained in the morning. Because if it's rain, I can meet you on the bus. It feels different when I look at you. But soon, I will move to Kalimantan. That means I can't see you anymore. I'm looking for you just to say this anyway. Sorry, after today, I will no longer hang that Teru-Teru Bozu upside down. Yoga smiles. Don't apologize. Okay, I will keep this. Thank you. Yoga said with a smile and then left on his motorbike. There is a feeling of relief in my heart after talking to Yoga. Even though I won't see each other again. The important thing is that my first love story doesn't end sadly. After 3 years of high school in Kalimantan, now I'm back to study at the university near my old junior high school. The cloudy and cold weather made me want to go to the restroom. So I went around the campus and finally found it, after asking several seniors there. After leaving the restroom, I walked through the hallway with the many lockers along the sides. Lockers for final semester students. At the end of the locker, there are students who are talking in front of the open locker. Yoga? I said, surprised seeing Yoga staring at me. It's Chacha, right? Asked Yoga, who stammered as she continued to stare at me. It seems that he's confused to see me was not a child anymore. Yes, this is me. Did you go to studying here too? I want to let you know, but I don't have your number. I never thought that I could meet you again, I said, who still couldn't believe that Yoga was here. Suddenly, the rain fell slowly, but it was able to break the awkward atmosphere between the two of us. I looked at Yoga and smiled, and vice versa. It turns out that I can meet again with my first love.